Hello and welcome to Cook Up Style, where we explore sayings and proverbs from the Caribbean. Today, we're going to be looking at the term all skin teeth laugh. Now, this is a term coming out of Trinidad and Tobago, and it's talking about the fact that a pleasant smile can hide bad intentions. So, let's dig a little deeper. Again, the origin is from Trinidad and Tobago. So the term skin teeth means to smile with your teeth. And usually that indicates someone that's friendly, non-threatening, etc. But this proverb, exposes the reality of human nature. And the fact is that not everyone coming grinning or skinning the teeth has noble intent. They could come with deceit in their heart or malice, and so you have to use discernment in your interactions with people. So let's look at a little interaction here that goes a little deeper into how this plays out in a conversation. Boy, you see how rabbit come grinning up in me face just now? Big teeth showing like he win lotto. But you notice you ain't even ask how you doing. You only want to know when you're getting that new contract. Kiran, let me tell you plain. All skin teeth a laugh. All right. So that's it for today. If this brings back memories or stirs your curiosity, be sure to share, like, subscribe, and we'll definitely have some more coming for you. Thank you again for joining us. Have a wonderful day.